Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Begin with precise ingredients. 8 Oz fresh skinless salmon, 2 tablespoon kosher salt, 2 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1 tsp black pepper, zest of 1 lemon, and 1 tsp dried dill. Combine salt and sugar evenly and rub into the salmon on all sides until uniformly coated. Press in the lemon zest and pepper. Place the fillet skin side down in a non-reactive dish and cover tightly. Plan a 24 to 36 hour cure in the refrigerator to draw moisture and concentrate the flavors for authentic lox. After coating, cover the dish with plastic and place a 2 lb weight or heavy skillet on top to press out liquid while refrigerated. This compresses the flesh for that silky lox texture. Flip the salmon halfway through the 24 to 36 hour cure, generally after 12 to 18 hours, to ensure even curing. When finished, rinse briefly under cold water, pat completely dry. Then slice across the grain into 1/8-inch thin slices using a sharp knife held at a 45-degree angle for even, silky pieces. Toast a fresh plain or everything bagel about 3.5 minutes to medium brown. The gentle heat opens the crumb and avoids melting the cream cheese. Spread roughly 4 Oz cream cheese per whole bagel, layer 2 Oz of thinly sliced lox, scatter 1 tablespoon capers, add 3 thin red onion rings, a sprig of dill, and a squeeze of lemon if desired. Press lightly so the layers meld but remain distinct. Refrigerate any leftover lox tightly wrapped and consume within 5 days for peak quality and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.